If I had to lose 10 kilos in just 30 days, I would follow a plan that very few people actually know. Not a crash diet, not starving, but a strategic routine that transforms your body fast. Here's exactly what I would eat for 30 days straight. Step 1. Hydration and metabolism activation. Every single morning, I start with warm water, lemon, and honey. It wakes up your metabolism and clears your system. Then breakfast, oats, chia seeds, nuts, and berries. High fiber, slow carbs, zero sugar. This keeps hunger low and energy stable. The goal is to fuel your body for the day, not to weigh it down. Think of it as premium fuel for a high-performance engine. This simple combination provides sustained energy, preventing the mid-morning crash that leads to bad snacking choices. Consistency here is the first pillar of your transformation. Lunch is where most people fail. I keep it simple and powerful. 1 cup of cooked brown rice or quinoa, a large bowl of veggies, and a lean protein source like eggs, chicken, tofu, paneer, or sprouts. This combination melts fat because it keeps your insulin levels stable. No junk food, no fried food. This is non-negotiable. The fiber from the vegetables keeps you full, the complex carbs provide steady energy, and the protein builds muscle while burning fat. It's a scientifically designed meal to optimize your body's fat-burning potential throughout the afternoon, ensuring you stay focused and energized without the post-lunch slump. At 5 p.m., when the urge to snack hits, I have a light, strategic meal. A handful of nuts, a piece of fruit, or another protein-rich snack. No biscuits, no sugary drinks. This isn't just about avoiding empty calories. It's about bridging the gap between lunch and dinner. This small meal stops late-night cravings before they even begin and keeps your metabolism active and firing. It tells your body that fuel is consistently available, so there's no need to store fat. It's a simple trick, but it makes a massive difference in controlling your appetite and overall calorie intake for the day. Dinner is the key to fast fat loss. I eat early, always before 8 p.m. This gives your body ample time to digest before you sleep, which is crucial for recovery and fat burning. My dinner is one of 3 options: a hearty vegetable soup with chicken or tofu, a colorful plate of stir-fried veggies, or 2 eggs served with a fresh salad. Each of these meals is light, packed with protein, and incredibly easy to digest. Eating a heavy, carb-loaded dinner is one of the biggest mistakes you can make. Keep it light, keep it clean, and you'll wake up feeling leaner and more energized every single morning. Now, for the secret hacks that most people ignore. These are the small habits that accelerate your results. First, drink at least 3 liters of water every single day. Hydration is critical for metabolism. Second, aim for 10,000 steps per day. This is your baseline for activity. Third, avoid all forms of sugar completely. It's your #1 enemy. Fourth, prioritize 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep. This is when your body repairs itself and burns fat. Fifth, no heavy carbs at night. Stick to protein and vegetables. And finally, have green tea or black coffee before your workout to boost performance and fat oxidation. These small changes, when done consistently, create massive results. If I wanted to lose 10 kilos in 30 days, this is the exact plan I would follow without changing a single thing. The power isn't in a single meal or a single workout. It's in the relentless consistency of the entire system. It's a blueprint for transformation designed for maximum efficiency and results. You have the plan. The only thing left is to execute. Save this video, follow the routine, and watch your body transform. Like, subscribe, and share if you want more videos like this.